Good morning, dear students. I'm Dr. Kumendra Heja, Director, Ramachandran International Institute of Management, Pune. We are operational in the domain of higher education for more than a decade, and we offer both PGDM as well as MBA program. I'm proud to say that we draw students from across the nation, representing all the major cities, thereby giving a very healthy gender ratio and amazing peer learning group to all the students. I'm also proud to state that we are one of the pioneer institute to have a tie-up with Indian Institute of Management, Indore, to provide an exhaustive experience in the form of a management development program. What do we stand for? Which means, what is it that lies at the core of our heart? Ramachandran International Institute of Management lays great emphasis on holistic development of student. What does holistic represent? The holistic here represents the professional development of the student, the social development of the student, the academic development of the student. When I talk about the professional development, we undertake amazing amount of activities to ensure that the students is ready for their future. Some of the activities are management development program that we already have in association with Indian Institute of Management, Indore. The employability program, whereby we provide almost 500 hours of training to the student to make them employable over a period of 4 semesters. We have tie-up with institutes based out of UK, France, in order to provide an amazing international exposure to the student in the form of international business exposure program that we have on our campus. We provide both the generic as well as specialization certification to ensure that the student is job ready right from day one that he steps on the organization post recruitment. When we talk about the social development of the student, we are essentially having tie-up with multiple NGOs to provide social exposure to the student. At the same time, ensure that we are able to develop empathy towards people in our students, because being a manager, and that to a successful manager, requires you to be a people's person. And last but not the least, we're talking about academic development. We have contemporary syllabus, and we draw faculties from institutes like Indian Institute of Management in order to impart amazing experience to the students in the classroom. One of the very substantial differentiating factor for any successful institute is its placement track record. And I'm proud to say that we have an enviable placement track record, ensuring 100% placement year on year and adding companies coming out of the campus every year. When I talk about placements, it does not really stop with just getting recruiters on campus. I think what is very, very important here is that we are able to provide good exposure to the students so that they are placement ready, they are job ready, and the industry tends to feel that they've picked up the student from an institute that understands the value of learning. Now, to do this, we have an exhaustive placement readiness program that is run right from semester 1, and it intensifies towards the end of semester 3 when the company is coming onto the campus. We have a dedicated training and placement officer and placement heads who look after ensuring that each student gets right exposure and right training to fit into right organizations. Besides this, we provide a lot of organizational exposure to students in the form of short-term industry projects as well as industry visits to prominent industries in Pune. That not only gives an understanding of how an organization works, but also makes a student confident that they'll definitely be able to perform once they get into the organizations. We are very proud about our list of recruiters, those who come onto our campus. JK Tyres, Godrej and Boyce, Deloitte, Standard & Poor's Global, Federal Bank, Axis Bank, ITC, Bose, to name a few. Now that's what we call as enviable list of recruiters that students look forward to in terms of launching their careers and making a successful career out of it. I'm aware that we all are fighting a global crisis in the form of coronavirus. We all are stuck at our homes. We all are made to stay at home, and doing that is not at all easy. I'm sure each one of us has our own fears around this as to how we're going to go ahead, as to how we're going to proceed, whether we'll be able to come back to normal life or whether we'll be able to act normal over a period of time. So let me take this opportunity to tell you all that we are into this together. We will fight this out and we will come out of it victorious. We, as an institution, have taken all the possible efforts to ensure that safety of our students is guaranteed. As an institution, like your parents, we are also having your safety at the core of our concern as our prime focus. If you talk about where RIM is located, let me give you a glimpse of it, that we are located in the vicinity of the prime institutions like Symbiosis, Flame, ISBNM, which are located in the picturesque valley of Pune and providing a very healthy environment to live as well as to study. To emphasize on the fact that we are a green zone and have been a green zone since the start of this epidemic. Let me assure you and all your parents that as an institution, we will take all the possible efforts to keep our students safe, which is our first priority, like I said. So, I take this opportunity to wish you all a very best for your bright future, and I earnestly look forward to seeing you on campus soon. Let us all strive for better future. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Take care.